At this point you might be wondering how to check the latest version of the RoHS Directive. In this video I'll show you step by step how to find it, and also what happens if the directive you're looking for has already been replaced. The official source is EUR-Lex, the European Union database of legal text. Type the site name into your browser, then select the language. In the search bar enter 2011/65/EU, which is the current RoHS Directive. Click on the result that says Directive 2011/65/EU of the European Parliament and of the Council. On the directives page, scroll down to text currently in force. Here you'll find the consolidated text, which integrates all amendments, like Directive EU 2015/HC3 that added 4 phthalates. Always use the consolidated version. It's the most up-to-date. But what if the directive you search for is no longer valid? Let's type 2002/95/EC, the original RoHS Directive, also known as RoHS 1. When you open its page, you'll see that this directive has been repealed and replaced. EUR-Lex clearly shows a note. This directive was repealed by Directive 2011/65/EU, and it gives you a direct link to the newer directive. So here's the takeaway. If the directive is still in force, use the consolidated version. If it has been replaced, EUR-Lex will tell you, and you can jump directly to the new directive. That's how you make sure you're always working with the latest and correct version of the RoHS Directive.